Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm going to talk about sockfancy.com masks review, and in this video I'll tell you whether the masks displayed here are legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review I'll help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. Now, here on the sockfancy.com website, you will find fashionable and quality masks at reasonable prices, and here you can see pictures regarding them. As you can see, all of them are available in attractive colors. However, guys, we could not find any payment modes option given here on the website through which you can make payment for your purchase over it. Now let us check the shipping information given here on the website. So as you can see, no information is given here regarding shipping timing. However, they provide you free shipping for face masks order above $25. So this was about it. Now guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be legit or scam one. Talking about the website's age, we came to know that this website has existed for more than 7 years, which is a reliable thing. And we also found that the website shows a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing again. Now let us check the About Us information of the website. So you can read about them here on the Our Story page and Our Blog page, and you will find all the necessary information regarding the website here on these two pages. So the About Us info given on the website is informative. Now let us talk about the prices. So guys, we found that prices for the masks displayed here are reasonable, which is a good thing. However, no payment options are mentioned here on the website. Now let us check the contact detail provided here on the website. So here on the Contact Us page, you can see they have given you search solution option to search whatever question you want to search, and they are also providing you with their email address, and their email address matches to the domain name of the website, which is a good thing. Also, you can fill the boxes given here and send your query to them. So their About Us page and Contact Us page shows an email address, and you can get your query solved after mailing to them. However, no office address or phone number was mentioned. Now, talking about the social media presence, guys, we found this website present on different social media platforms including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, and also we saw huge following for this website though, so that is a good thing. Now let us check the return policy and let us see what details are given here regarding return. So guys, again, no return policy details are given here on the website. However, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of the website, then do let us know it in the comment box below. Now, coming to the customer reviews, guys, we found positive customer reviews, and here you can see some of them. So customer reviews were really impressive. Talking about the website's content quality, we found the website content was really informative, and we could see that they have properly given detailed information regarding the products displayed here. So content quality overall is very good. Now giving a final verdict, guys, I would declare this website to be legit based on the positive customer reviews and good social media presence. I hope this video was helpful. Guys, do share your reviews about today's video in the comment box below. Also, if you want to get your money back wasted on scam products or website, then check the link given in the description area. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.